What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. So today is a boring Sunday and how to clean my wardrobe because it's a mess. Look. I had to switch on my summer fall clothes to winter clothes, also my coats. So let's get started. Put on my sweaters and jumpers and hoodies. Yes, I have a lot of them, so I put them here because they are the ones that I put almost every day. So now that I've done the sweaters, I will do my trousers, pants, so let's start. These are all my trousers and pants. What I did is that I put all the blacks and the grays here and all the other patterns, colors, jeans over here so that it will be all organized. And let's get with the other section. Put all my color shirts. It's almost Christmas and I'm super excited because I want to have fun and have some rest, because this year was not easy with all my exams in my university, also my driver's license and other stuff. So I'm making new goals for next year, and also on my projects like this channel, my exams and everything. So I hope it will go fine, not like this year, but hopefully I did even new friends. This channel has grown, so I'm happy for that. So those are all my colored shirts and shirts. Then here I will put all my PJs, random stuff, shirt, all the summer clothing remaining. I will put it over here. I have to finish the last section, but I will even start my coats and smoking section. Now I remember of this cloth. This is the one that I've bought from Dubai like 3 years ago. But the next time that I go to Dubai, I will wear it for sure. Let it be soon because I miss that city. Yes, I have so many smokings, but most of them are from the thrift, and the rest my dad gave them to me. I have to use them as much as possible because I have a lot of because I have a lot of smokings and tuxedos or blazers and jackets. So I've almost finished all my blazers, tuxedo and smokings, and and I will start the coats section. Okay, so I don't have more space here because I've put almost all my coats, but some of them they remain. As you can see, I have too many coats. So guys, I have finished all my wardrobe. Now I will let you see a final tour of my closet and what I've did to the closet. And yes, I am in my PJs because I'm at home. So my sweaters, my trousers and pants, my collar shirts and shirts, the other stuff extra like my PJs, random clothing, etc. Then those are all my blazers, jackets, smoking, tuxedos. Also there is my summer clothing, some PJs, trousers, then the other clothing that I told you before. So these are all my coats. Those are all my winter and fall clothes. As you can see, neon jackets, shearling jackets, coats, windbreakers of every color. Then I have also other coats under here. That is my bag. Also other coats over here, but I finished my wardrobe and I am so tired. I did this work Sunday morning and this morning, that is Monday. So tell me in the comments if you do the decluttering in winter or summer, and if you have too many clothes or you want more clothes because you don't have enough. And like, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell so you know when I put my next video. See you soon guys.